Hello, we are here with our immigrant visas.
Passports, please. Follow me.
Is everything all right?
What's the purpose of your visit?
We are moving here. Is this going to take long? We have a connecting flight to Miami.
Everybody has a connecting flight.
Diego Hernandez Armas, Venezuelan.
Yes.
Who packed this suitcase?
Me. Well, us.
Jamias Bacedas, born in Spain.
Yes.
Did anyone hand you something on the plane or in the airport?
No.
Is there anywhere to get some food?
No, ma'am.
Water?
Nope.
Esto no es muy normal, ¿no?
Someone is waiting for us outside.
Is your final destination New York City?
No.
Then why is someone waiting for you out here?
When is the last time you entered the United States?
¿Pero qué le pasa a esta tía? Ens putejarà perquè sí.
Porque tenemos información nueva. ¿Está nervioso? ¿Usted sabe qué me pone nerviosa a mí? Lo mentiroso.
So you're a dancer, huh?
Yes.
Show us a move. Are you gonna do it or not?
No, I don't need to prove this.
You wanna get in or not?
Do you trust your partner? Do you think she trusts you?
Vull tornar a casa.
Dime la verdad y salimos de eso.
Please stop.
Dime la verdad.